There was a time in Kenya when getting a landline phone was a life milestone. You'd apply at Kenya Post and Telecommunications, then wait, and wait, and wait some more. Months turned into years. Some people were told, "Your line is coming," so many times it became a family joke. Others paid deposits, chased files, wrote letters, queued endlessly, only to give up. Then something changed. Mobile phones arrived. No waiting lists, no begging, no "come back next month." Kenyans didn't protest. They didn't write angry essays. They simply moved on. Landlines quietly died, not because Kenyans didn't need communication, but because frustration pushed people to a better solution. Fast forward to today. Sound familiar? Electricity blackouts, unpredictable bills, damaged appliances, businesses shutting down midday, families lighting candles. Again. KPLC has become the modern landline story. And just like before, Kenyans are adapting. They're not waiting anymore. They're not complaining endlessly. They're installing solar. Homes with lights during blackouts. Shops that stay open when others go dark. Schools, hospitals, farms, powered independently. Solar isn't a luxury anymore. It's the cell phone moment of electricity. The question is simple. Will you keep waiting or will you move on? Install solar anywhere in Kenya. Nairobi 079 224 7397, 079 471 6562. Kisumu 079 224 5589. Email info@powerafricasolar.com. Some stories repeat themselves. Smart people learn from them.